In this video, I'll show you how to display your YouTube videos on your Oxygen Builder website. To do that, we'll be using the YouTube Feed Pro plugin, which allows you to create a fast and responsive YouTube feed like this in just minutes with no coding needed. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, visit smashballoon.com and purchase YouTube Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress website. Alright, here we are now on our Oxygen Builder website, and on the left hand side, let's click on Plugins and click Add New Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for YouTube Feed Pro, like this, and then click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. Now you can see that YouTube Feed Pro has been installed and activated. On the left hand side, you'll also notice we have YouTube Feed. Hover over it, click on Settings. Here beside License Key, go ahead and paste your license key from your Smashballoon account. After that, click Activate. Now our license key has also been activated, so we can begin creating our YouTube feed. On the left hand side, under YouTube Feed, click on All Feeds. Now to create our YouTube feed, let's click on Add New. For the first step of creating a YouTube feed, we'll have to select a feed type. With YouTube Feed Pro, you can display videos from any YouTube channel, videos from any YouTube playlist, videos that match any specific search criteria, live streams, and single videos as well. For this demonstration, let's continue with the channel option, and that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. You'll then get this pop-up here asking you to enter a YouTube API key. I've already got my API key ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on the video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen, or follow our written guide in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, click Add API Key, and paste it here like this. Once that's done, click Add, and this will take you to the next step, connecting our YouTube channel. To do this, you can enter a YouTube channel handle, the channel ID, or channel username. For this demonstration, let's display the Smashballoon YouTube channel. So I can type in the channel handle, like this. There we go. Once that's entered, we can click Next. Now onto the last step of creating our YouTube feed, selecting a feed template. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more. For this demonstration, let's continue with the list template. Once selected, click Next. And instantly we have a live preview of our brand new YouTube feed inside the plugin. You can see all the latest YouTube videos from the Smashballoon YouTube channel inside this feed. At the top, we also have a header, displaying the channel profile picture, name, number of subscribers, and the bio. Our YouTube feed is now ready to be embedded inside our Oxygen Builder website, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left hand side, under the Customize tab, click on Feed Layout. Here you can customize the layout of your YouTube feed. At the moment, we have the list layout selected, which displays your YouTube videos in a single column list. The first option here is the grid layout. This one displays your YouTube videos in rows and columns. At the moment, we're only displaying 2 videos, but we can easily modify that down here. You can see it says number of videos to show initially, and that's set to 2. But we can modify it to, let's say, 6, and our YouTube feed will automatically update to display 6 videos instead of 2. Now you have a clearer idea of what the grid layout can look like. Next, if we go into Gallery, this one displays the latest video in a video player at the top of the feed, followed by the rest of the videos in a grid. And last but not least is the carousel, which allows you to swipe through the videos inside your feed like this. Let's continue with the list layout, and if you scroll down, you'll see that we're now displaying 6 videos instead of 2 as we adjusted before. And if you're happy with those changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color palette of your YouTube feed, under the Customize tab, click on Color Scheme. Inside, you'll find options to modify the color palette of your YouTube feed. At the moment, you can see that it's set to Inherit from Theme, which means that your YouTube feed will automatically match the design of your WordPress theme. Alternatively, we have a light theme, dark theme, and even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact colors you want for your feed like this. Once you have a color scheme you're happy with, click Save on the top right corner. With YouTube Feed Pro, you'll also have an option to display comments inside your YouTube feed. To enable comments, under the Customize tab, go into Videos, then click on Video Player Experience. And right in the middle, we can see a toggle that says Comment. If we toggle it on, you can choose how many comments you want to show inside your YouTube feed. We can keep that as is, and click on Save on the top right corner. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how we can moderate the content inside your YouTube feed. Go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. Inside this menu, you can enter words or hashtags as filters. And you have 2 options for this, with the allowed words and the blocked words. If you enter a word or hashtag inside the allowed box, your YouTube feed will only show videos containing those words. Inversely, if you enter a word into the blocked words box, your YouTube feed will block any videos containing those words or hashtags. And right at the bottom, you can also enter specific video IDs manually to hide those videos too. With these moderation options, you have control over what videos you want to display inside your YouTube feed. And if you added any filters, click Save on the top right corner. Alright, now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Oxygen Builder. To embed it, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click on Add. And here we are now inside Oxygen Builder, so we can click on Edit in Oxygen, This will open up the page inside Oxygen Builder. To embed our YouTube feed, click on the plus icon, and we're going to search for a shortcode block, this one here. Once that block is added, on the right hand side, we can paste the shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Next, we can click on Save and check out what it looks like on the live website. And right now on our live WordPress webpage, right in the middle we have our brand new YouTube feed. At the top, we have a header at the top of the feed, featuring the channel name, number of subscribers, and the bio. Underneath that is the latest video from our channel. If a site visitor wants to watch it, they can click on it like this, and that video will start playing automatically directly on your Oxygen Builder website. Underneath that, we also have a subscribe bar, which features some details about your channel and a subscribe button on the right hand side. If site visitors click on that, that takes them directly to your YouTube channel with a prompt asking them if they'd like to subscribe to your channel. This makes it really easy to convert site visitors into YouTube subscribers. And back inside our YouTube feed, we scroll down. All the rest of the videos inside our feed are displayed inside a list view. And beside each video, you'll also notice Show Comments button. If we click on that, that will display all the comments for that video. But as you can see, we currently have no comments for this particular video. We can click on Hide Comments. And now, if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, we also have a Load More button. If we go ahead and click on that, that will load additional YouTube videos directly inside your WordPress webpage. And there you have it. That's how we can create, customize, and embed a YouTube feed like this on your Oxygen Builder website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. And please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.